Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best commercial vacuum cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Vacmaster UB0402 Commercial Vacuum Cleaner. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, and it's perfect for those who want an affordable yet reliable vacuum cleaner. With a price tag of just $97.91, the Vacmaster is packed with features that make it a solid contender. It boasts a 14-liter capacity bag design, making it suitable for medium to large cleaning tasks. The LED headlight is a standout feature, allowing you to easily spot debris in dark corners or under furniture. Plus, the 2-speed setting lets you seamlessly switch between carpets and hard floors. The design is ultra-lightweight, coming in at just 11 pounds, which makes it ideal for multi-room cleaning or carrying up and down stairs. Its 31.5-foot cord provides an extended cleaning reach, reducing the hassle of switching outlets frequently. While it's not the most powerful vacuum on this list, it performs well for its price, especially when dealing with pet hair and everyday messes. However, the bag design means you'll need to purchase replacement bags over time. The Vacmaster is best suited for smaller homes, apartments, or those on a tight budget. While it offers decent suction and convenience, it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-priced models. Pros include its affordability, lightweight build, and LED headlight. On the downside, it may struggle with deep pile carpets and doesn't include HEPA filtration, which could be a deal-breaker for allergy sufferers. Overall, a good entry-level choice. At number 4, we have the Sanitaire SC679K Tradition Upright Commercial Bagged Vacuum. This vacuum is a workhorse designed for commercial-grade performance, making it ideal for offices, retail spaces, or even larger homes. Priced at $149.99, it features an 18-quart shakeout bag, which allows for extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. The vacuum is built to last, with a durable polycarbonate hood that can withstand tough environments. This Sanitaire model weighs just 12.2 pounds, making it relatively easy to maneuver despite its commercial-grade capabilities. The 30-foot power cord provides excellent range, and the vacuum's tool-free brush roll and belt replacement make maintenance a breeze. However, one area where the Sanitaire falls short is its noise level, which is a bit higher than some of the other models on this list. Its lack of HEPA filtration also means it's not the best option for allergy sufferers. The Sanitaire SC679K is perfect for those who prioritize durability and large debris capacity over fancy features. Its pros include a robust design, large capacity, and ease of maintenance. Cons include its relatively loud operation and the absence of advanced filtration technology. If you need a reliable vacuum for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, this one won't let you down. Taking the 3rd spot is the Oreck Commercial XL vacuum cleaner, which combines lightweight efficiency with powerful performance. At $169, this vacuum is designed to tackle both carpets and hard floors with ease. The high-speed brush roll is particularly effective at agitating and lifting dirt from deep within carpet fibers. It also features side-edge brushes for thorough cleaning along baseboards and corners. The Oreck XL stands out for its ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 9 pounds, making it one of the easiest vacuums to maneuver on this list. It also has automatic height adjustment, which ensures optimal cleaning performance across different floor types. However, it uses a bagged system, so you'll need to account for the cost of replacement bags. Additionally, the Oreck lacks advanced features like HEPA filtration or LED headlights, which might be a drawback for some users. This vacuum is ideal for those who value simplicity, portability, and efficiency. Its pros include its lightweight build, powerful suction, and ease of use. On the downside, it's a bit basic when it comes to extra features, and the bag design means ongoing maintenance costs. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a no-frills commercial vacuum cleaner. Narrowly missing the top spot is the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360. At $189.99, this vacuum is packed with versatile features that make it a standout choice. The liftaway functionality allows you to detach the pod for above-floor cleaning, such as stairs, upholstery, or even ceilings. Its anti-allergen complete seal technology, combined with a HEPA filter, ensures that dust and allergens stay trapped inside, making it a great option for allergy sufferers. The Shark NV360 also excels in maneuverability thanks to its swivel steering, which makes navigating around furniture and tight spaces a breeze. The large 0.9-quart dust cup means you can clean for longer without frequent emptying. Its brush roll shutoff feature allows you to switch between carpets and hard floors seamlessly. However, at nearly 16 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which might not be ideal for everyone. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners and households with mixed flooring types. Its pros include excellent suction power, versatile cleaning modes, and advanced filtration. On the downside, it's a bit heavier and more expensive than some of the other options. If you're looking for a feature-rich vacuum that can handle a variety of cleaning tasks, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, at the top of our list is the Hoover Commercial TaskVac Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Priced at $207.84. This premium vacuum is designed for professionals who need exceptional performance and reliability. Its standout feature is the bagless design, which eliminates the need for replacement bags and reduces maintenance costs. The HEPA filtration system ensures that even the tiniest particles are captured, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. The TaskVac features a 35-foot power cord, providing unparalleled reach for large spaces. At 15 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry between rooms, and the included accessories, such as the 12-inch wand and 11-inch crevice tool, make it versatile for different cleaning tasks. The easy-change brush roll and belt system save time on maintenance, and its powerful 1450-watt motor delivers consistent suction. However, it's also the loudest vacuum on this list at 80 dB, which might be a concern in quieter environments. The Hoover TaskVac is ideal for commercial spaces, larger homes, or anyone who wants a high-performance vacuum with minimal upkeep. Its pros include powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and a bagless design. On the downside, it's the most expensive option on this list and can be noisy. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Hoover TaskVac is worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.